Hello guys, in this video we're going to be looking at highest common factor. Okay, in a previous video we looked at lowest common multiples. So in this video we're going to be moving further to look at highest common factor. Now, two or more numbers may have common factors. But before we go further, we need to know what factors are. The factors of a number are those numbers that can divide that particular number without leaving a remainder. Example, if we have 10, the factors of 10 are those numbers that can divide 10 without leaving a remainder. The smallest factor of a number is 1. We've done that in a previous video, so you can just go check it out on the playlist. The second factor of 10 is 2. The third is 5. And the highest factor of 10 is 10 itself. Okay? So now, two or more numbers can have common factors. But the highest common factor, HCF, is the largest among the common factors. So when you have two or more numbers that have common factors, the HCF of this group of numbers is the highest number among the common factors. Let's look at an example here. Let's write the factors of 40 and 60. So factors of 40 and 60. So let's bring 40 here. The factors of 40, the smallest factor of 40 is 1. The next factor of 40 is 2. The next factor of 40 is 4. 5 is also a factor of 40. 5 can divide 40 without leaving a remainder. The next one is 8. We have 10. We have 20. And finally, we have 40. All these are factors of 40. Let's consider 60. The factors of 60, the smallest is 1. The next is 2. We also have 3. 4 is a factor because 60 divided by 4 is going to give us 15. The next is 5. Is 6 a factor of 60? Yes, 6 is a factor. What about 7? No. 8 is not a factor. The next factor of 60 is 10. And we have 15, 20, 30, and finally 60. So these are the factors of 60. Now we have seen the factors of 60. We have also seen the factors of 40. Let's look at the two factors. Let's look at the two sets of factors to see if they are common factors. Okay. 1 is here, 1 is here. 2 is here, 2 is here. 4 is here, 4 is here. 5 is here, 5 is here. What else? 10 is here. We have 10 here. 20 is here and 20 is here. All these are common factors of 40 and 60. But the highest among them is 20. So 20 is the highest common factor of 60 and 40. But when you are told to solve the HCF of two or more numbers, you don't have to write it like this, okay? So we are going to solve these same questions with the proper way of solving HCF. So let's solve. HCF of 40 and 60. Whenever you want to solve the HCF of two numbers, you break them down as though you are solving for LCM. But in this case, you break them down separately. So we pick 40 and break it down. Then we pick 60 and break it down. So let's do that. So we have 40 here. So let's break 40 down. What is the smallest number that can divide 40 without leaving a remainder? That's 2. So if we put 2 here, 40 divided by 2 is going to give us 20. Can 2 still divide 20? Yes. So put 2. 20 divided by 2, 10. Can 2 still go? Yes. If 2 goes here, we have 5. Can 2 go again? No, 2 cannot go. What about 3? 3 cannot divide 5 without a remainder. 4? No. 5. So the next number to divide is 5. So we have 1. So we break down 60. What is the smallest number that can divide 60 without leaving a remainder? The answer is 2. So we start with 2. 60 divided by 2 is going to give us 30. Can 2 divide 30? The answer is yes. So 2 goes into 30. 30 divided by 2 is going to give us 15. Can 2 go again? No. What's the next number? 3. So divide by 3. 15 divided by 3 is going to give us 5. Can 3 divide 5 without a remainder? No. 4 cannot do that. So the next number is 5. So we have 5 here. 5 divided by 5 is going to give us 1. So when you've done that, okay, when you've done that, you bring down 40 write the values of the numbers you have here. So we have 40 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Then we have 60. 60 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So we begin to bring the numbers together in bundles, okay? So there's 2 here, there's 2 here, so we circle them. We have 2 here, we have 2 here, you circle that. We have 2, we have 3, so they are not common, so you will not circle. We have 5 and 5, so we circle. Okay, so we have 2, we pick 1, 2 here, multiply by, we pick 1, 2 here, multiply by, you pick 1, 5 here. So 2 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 4. 4 multiplied by 5 is going to give us 20. Therefore, HCF is equal to 20, just as we found out here. So this is the normal way of solving for HCF of 2 or more numbers. Let's look at another example. Find the HCF of 12, 18, and 24. So we're expected to find the HCF of 12, 18, and 24. So just as we did in the first example, we break them down separately. So let's start with 12. 12 here. What is the smallest number that can divide 12 without leaving a remainder? The answer is 2. 12 divided by 2 is going to give us 6. 2 can still go, so we have 2 here. 6 divided by 2 is going to give us 3. 2 can no longer go, so we step up to 3. So 3 here. 3 divided by 3 is going to give us 1. So the next number we look at is 18. What's the smallest number that can divide 18 without leaving a remainder? The answer is 2. 18 divided by 2 is going to give us 9. Can 2 divide 9 without a remainder? The answer is no. So let's step up to 3. So we have 3 here. 9 divided by 3 is going to give us 3. We continue with 3. 3 divided by 3 is going to give us 1. So we are done with 18. We move to 24. So we have 24 here. What is the smallest number that can divide 24 without leaving a remainder? 2. 24 divided by 2 is going to give us 12. 2 is going to go. 2 is going to go just as we have here. So 2, we have 6. 2, we have 3. And 3, we have 1. So the next step is to bring each value down just as we did here. So 12 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3. 18 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And then finally, 24 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So the next thing we do is to look out for common numbers among the 3 numbers we are working on. So 2 is here. So pick 2 out. We have 2 here. We have 2 here, but we don't have any 2 here. Okay? So because there's no 2 here anymore, so 2 is out of the equation. So let's look at 3. 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. So you can either do 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, or 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. So let's do this simpler way. Okay? So these are the common numbers among the 3 of them. So we bring them down. So we have 2 multiplied by 3. Therefore, the HCF of 12, 18, and 24 is equal to 6. I'd like you to solve this simple question and leave your answer in the comment section. So classwork. Find the HCF of 50 and 70. Leave your answer in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.